Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Honor 8A and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. Let's start by opening the quick panel. To do it, swipe down from the top of the screen, like that. And here let's tap on the edit icon at the top. And here we have a screen recorder icon. We need to press and hold on it and drag it to the top of the list, or the list above, I mean. Now we can go back, and now we can tap on the screen recorder icon, allow some permissions. Here we have some information about the screen recording, and at the bottom we can enable or disable the microphone by tapping the slider next to enable microphone option. And once you're done and you want to start recording, tap OK. Here you have some tutorial how to start and stop recording. Basically you can stop recording or start it by pressing and holding the touch shortcut button right here. I mean stop button on the shortcut panel. It's gonna be right here on the top of the screen. Or you can use the volume up and power button to press them together to stop it. Now let's start recording. As you can see here we have the shortcut panel and it's counting down or up. That means that the video is recording. We can do something on our screen so it's visible that we're doing something. And we can tap stop right here on this panel, or we can press volume up and power together to stop and save the recording. Now let's open the gallery. Let's go to albums. And here we have videos. Tap on it. Tap on the video. And here's our video. Let's go back. Close this. And that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.